Heavy rain in Afghanistan and Pakistan caused extensive damage to infrastructure and farmland, with at least 135 reported dead, including 21 farmers struck by lightning. Thousands of houses were damaged or destroyed, and deaths occurred due to collapsing roofs. Nearly 100,000 acres of agricultural land and thousands of livestock were lost. The unusual rainfall followed a dry winter, with Afghanistan receiving only half its usual rainfall and Pakistan slightly better. Drier soils struggled to absorb the rain, worsening flooding. Excessive rain, uncommon outside the monsoon season, hit Pakistan's Balochistan province hardest, receiving over 3 times its average April rainfall. Remnants of severe thunderstorms from the UAE